Hey guys, welcome to the how-to channel. Here's my airbag and I need to inflate it because I have to go on a field trip. But for some reason my air pump is not working at the moment. I don't know what happened, but when I turn it on, it's just not working. But I have figured out an easy way on how to inflate your airbag even if your air pump is not working, and it is by using a simple garbage bag. Now we do need to use one small part of our air pump, and it is this adapter nozzle. This adapter nozzle we will attach to this inflation valve on your airbag, something like this. Press it in there, make sure it's tight, because on this adapter nozzle we will attach a garbage bag. I will show you how to do it. First we will spread this big garbage bag and we will inflate it with air like this as much as possible. Inflate it and close it. You basically have a large amount of air in this garbage bag right now, and now we will transfer this air to the airbag. But first we have to find this opening right here, and we need to connect this opening on the garbage bag to this adapter nozzle right here. Put your adapter nozzle in the garbage bag. So basically when I press this air, it will go right into the airbag. The next step is pretty simple and logical. Just press this airbag with your body weight like this, and as you can see, the airbag will inflate itself. And let's just hope that this garbage bag won't break. You need to repeat this a couple of times, but it is much faster than trying to inflate this airbag with your lungs. Once you can squeeze any more air from this garbage bag, it means that your airbag is fully inflated. Check it. Oh yeah, that's it. There you have it, guys. Very simple but yet effective trick. It took me only 3 or maybe 4 tries to get this airbag inflated. I hope you have found some value in this video. If you did, please hit that like button so that this video can spread to more people, so it can help more people. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next one.